Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well on this beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. I just want to hop on here really fast just to give you guys some tips about how to make money on Facebook. So, if you're wondering how to make money on Facebook in 2026, let's go. All right. So, first things first is you have to open your page to the professional mode, Facebook professional mode. That's the first thing you have to do. And with that, a lot of people are skeptical because they think once they open their page up for that their page will be open to the public. Now it will be open to the public, but the good thing about Facebook is you can separate a lot of things. So if you like to post a lot of family things for only your friends and family to see, you can adjust your you can adjust that. So hypothetically speaking, if you're gonna post a picture or make a post that you only want certain people to see, you go to your settings and then you can post who you would like to see it. So this is interesting because I just made a post the other day regarding to my dad, and I didn't want everybody and their mom to see it, so I just restricted to just my friends on Facebook. So with opening Facebook professional page, you can adjust your posting and your pictures, and you can put what you want to be displayed on public and whatnot. So that's the good thing about that. Um, I do have some notes here because I really have some information I want you guys to hear. Because if you're really, really, really ready to make money on Facebook, let me help you out. So, second, find a niche. Just like YouTube, you find something you want to talk about. For instance, me, I like to post positive things. I like to post inspirational, motivational things, self care, stuff like that. That's my niche. That's what I post. I also join different groups pertaining to those niches. So, for instance, if you like cars and you want to post about cars, you're going to join groups about cars. You're going to post in those groups. And with the groups, make sure it say join instead of follow. Don't follow any groups. You join them. So therefore you are a part of the posting process. Pay attention to that. Second thing is always complete your Facebook challenges. They're going to be weekly. Every week you're going to have a set of challenges you have to complete. I have not never completed those. So I don't know what's the consequences. I don't know, but complete them. And then every time you complete them, that's basically telling Facebook algorithm like, hey, she's ready to grow. So they're gonna keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. So make sure you guys are posting to the proper groups. Make sure you guys are posting every day. Make sure you guys are joining those groups and engaging in those groups. Also, when you are completing your challenges, make sure you guys are make sure you are engaging with other people content as well, just as well as you want somebody to engage in your content, content, you engage into their content. You can't ask for people to follow you and share your posts and you're not doing the same. The thing I notice about Facebook is people be like, oh, follow me, share, 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 I'll do this and do that, and then they only following like 33 people but got 10,000 followers. No ma'am, I don't do that, so I'm not going to follow you. No. So just be wary of who you are following. It's a lot of scammers out there. It's a lot of people who will take your content. And that's the thing. All that Facebook content is recycled. Okay. So it's okay to take a picture and put a different post. Just switch it around in your own words. Don't copy and paste somebody else's status to yours. Like you're basically copywriting. Like don't do that. Just take it and switch it around. And now it's so crazy on Facebook where they got an AI writing. So you could put a sentence that copy somebody's sentence, put it in your post, and then what did it say? Help me write. Click it and it rephrases it. So it's so freaking easy. It's so easy to get content and put your own post on and make your own reels. That's how I'm making money now through reels. I'll post my Facebook page down so y'all make sure y'all follow me and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, another thing is so make sure you guys are posting, make sure you guys are engaging, make sure you guys are joining groups. Um, Complete your Facebook challenges. That's very important. Complete those challenges every week. They'll give you 7 days. So you start on Monday, should be done by Sunday. What I noticed is I used to finish them all in one day. Get them on Monday, be done by Monday, or get them on Tuesday, or get them on Monday, be done by Tuesday. I literally slow it down now. I'm at the point where I'm getting done by Wednesday. I want to push it to Friday, but being a Virgo that I am, if I have a task, I want to get it done right then and there. But then I noticed with Facebook, like they like you to take your time. They don't like seeing a whole bunch at once because then you'll get like marked as scam and stuff like that. And again, I've never went through that, but I've seen people posting like, okay, take your time, especially the people who has a lot of followers that's giving help out here for free. So take your time and post. Just make sure it's done by Sunday. Okay. Also with the posting and engaging, be careful with that because if you engage too much, which is so crazy, Facebook is wild. They'll restrict you for some hours. I got restricted for like 48 hours just for commenting on people's stuff, trying to get my engagement up. So do everything in moderation. I'll say maybe comment on maybe 10 to 15 posts, maybe less than that a day, and just keep it moving because you can't do too much. You're gonna think you scam and all that other stuff. So just take your time when you're doing that. Um, Another thing is Facebook has so many programs. Like I just got offered into the Amazon affiliated program, which if you shop on Amazon, that is amazing. You can post your post on Facebook, and if the people click the link that you post, you can get paid from that. Come on now. So yes, if you have a Facebook, I'm sorry, if you have an Amazon page and you get invited through Facebook to the Amazon affiliated program, take that. Okay. I order all the time off Amazon, and every time I order now, I share the same link to my Facebook page. So that's another income. Um, you have to have patience, guys. Like this is not. I mean, for some people it do, some people it don't. But this is not something that happens overnight. This is something that you have to grow. This is a seed that need watering and need nurturing, meaning that you have to attend to it every single day. You already post on Facebook anyway for free every day. Why not get into the mood, get into the program where you can post and get paid? You don't have to pay anything. But if you do want stars on Facebook, you do have to pay for those, and they're like $1. You get like 45 stars for $1. So what I do is when I post into groups like content engagement groups. Oh, and there's so many groups on Facebook. Uh, Facebook monetization groups, how to get monetized, how to grow your page. It is millions and millions of pages on there with millions and millions of people in there. Go in there, study it, see what you need to do. Take that and incorporate it into your daily routine. I was going to say something. Oh, and when you're posting, it's gonna be people that comment crazy stuff. Do not engage back because you'll get in trouble. Facebook don't like all of that. So if you see somebody post something negative, have the comment, block them or delete it. Don't get upset. Don't get discouraged. Keep going. It's over 50 million people on Facebook. It's a lot. It's a lot of different countries, a lot of different states, cities, towns. Like it's so. I got people following me from Germany, the UK, India, Africa, all over the world. Okay. So when you post something and it don't get seen or don't nobody like it or nothing, give it time. Another thing, when you're posting in groups, it's not going to be automatic. Like those posts has to be um, approved by whoever's the administration, whoever's the admin of that program, that group. I'm sorry. So for instance, when I first started joining the groups on Facebook, I would post and I'm like, I ain't not approving it. Why I gotta wait to get approved? And I'm like, you know what, screw this. And then literally a few days later, they will approve my post and I'll get like 10,000 likes on it. And then that'll boost my content. So if something doesn't get the attention you feel it needs, it's okay. Post it again in a few days. Post it to a different group. Put a different caption on it. When I tell y'all, I have the same picture with different captions on it every morning, kind of. So, guys, don't be discouraged. Have patience. Trust the process. Keep posting, keep posting, keep posting. It takes time. I am extremely proud of myself because I started this program on August the 11th. And by December 23rd of 2020, okay, I started August 11th, 2025. By December 20th, 2025, I received my first payout. So I started in August. I got approved for stars and subscriptions in September. In October, I got approved for content monetization. In November, I got approved to set up my payment method, meaning that they're gonna be like, okay, it's time to set up. Do you want to get paid through PayPal? Do you want to put your debit card, checking account, whatever you want your money to come through? That happens. Once that happens, you know you win the game. First of all, once you start getting approved for subs, subscriptions, stars, then they like, oh yeah, you get approved for posting your, oh, you making money from your content. Oh yeah, set up you in there. Keep going. Now one tip I will tell y'all. This is why I say get into the habit of scheduling your posts because you're gonna get tired of posting. You're gonna get tired. Sometimes you just gonna want to get on there and just scroll. That's it. What you used to doing, which is fine. Schedule your post the night before. Okay. I know some days on Facebook I will engage the whole damn day. And then I'll finally lay down and be like, I don't do this shit tomorrow. But then I'll have the energy to like schedule 3 or 4 posts for the morning, 3 or 4 posts for the afternoon, 3 or 4 posts at night. And then after that, once I get on Facebook to scroll, I'll add some stuff to my story. I'll probably comment on a few people things, but it don't feel like so overwhelmed or like start to get tiring after a while, because you go so hard for the first couple months and then you like, okay, this shit, what? I'm only getting paid this ain't nothing. But you gotta keep going. I never thought I'd get paid through Facebook. I never thought that shit. Like when I heard people was doing this, I was like, whatever, whatever. But then I started seeing it too much. And I'm gonna tell y'all, I had my first spiritual awakening in August of 2023. August is like my reborn month. Like August has been a month I've been doing what I don't want to do or what I feel like I should do, but I'm scared to do. That's what I've been doing in August. And my birthday is in September, right around the corner. So it's like I'm proud of myself. I'm actually getting paid through Facebook right now. I am on YouTube making videos right now. So I'm just here to tell y'all to keep going. Keep going. Do what your heart tells you to do. Even if it's scary at first, just still do it. Just think like we were kids at first. When you walk to your first classroom, you're scared. You do something new, you're scared, but eventually you realize it's what you're supposed to be doing the whole time. So I like the control. I like the freedom. I like being on my own schedule. I just gotta follow through with my. See, when I first started Facebook, I'm sorry, YouTube. I posted my first YouTube. Let's do this. So I started my YouTube page in 2023 of September. Man, y'all, I had my spiritual awakening in August of 2023. So the following month, I'm like, I'm gonna make me a Facebook page, but I didn't post until 2 years later. It's a Juneteenth of 2025. That was my first video I posted, and I was going consistent. I was going hard. Like I got 50 some videos right now uploaded. Y'all go watch them. Go watch them. Share, comment, like, and then I slowed down, and then I hopped into the Facebook thing. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna juggle both. So every time I do over there, I'm gonna try to come over here. But over here, I'm just dropping gems, y'all. Money out here. Let's get it. You post, you schedule, get in the habit of posting, get in the habit of scheduling, get in the habit of engaging, get in the habit of putting yourself out there. What I haven't did yet is go live. What I realize is people who's in this Facebook monetization program, when they go live, they making money. So I think I'm gonna go live, probably like shopping or something. Something simple. I'm not ready to get on there like I am on here. Because a lot of these platforms, these people look for tangible proof, which is fine. Um, I'm going to upload some videos of, I'm sorry, I'm going to import some clips of my approval so you guys can see, which I've done in previous videos, but I'll do it in this one as well. And then eventually, we'll go from here. We'll grow from here. Just let's all grow together. If you guys got any questions, if you guys got any tips, hit your girls up, and let's grow both our platforms. Let's help each other out and do what we have to do. I feel like it shouldn't be no gatekeeping. Ain't no gatekeeping. We all locksmith around here. So, and I just want to leave this video with a quote, as I normally do when I make my videos. So, a vision without work is just imaginary thinking. It's just wishful thinking. So if you got a vision and you ain't putting in work, you're just wishful thinking, which it ain't gonna go nowhere. That rarely happens for us. Get out there, get it, post, share, engage, and watch. Come back to this video and tell me. Keep me posted. I'll keep y'all posted. We could be a little tribe over here and we can grow. So I love y'all. Thank y'all for posting, commenting, liking. Have a good day, love.